Shivani Agarwal from Maharaja Agrsingh Model School, Pitampura, Delhi.
Hello everyone, I am Manohar Subramanian, teacher from Panchayat Union Primary School, Velliyanai, Karur, Tamil Nadu.
Myself, Suganti here from the Ashok Leyland School, Hosur, Tamil Nadu.
Hello everyone, I am Adikesavan Ramachandran from Government Higher Secondary School, Karvepulamkurchi, Kannur district in the state of Tamil Nadu.
Hi everyone, I am Nisha from Kamla Nehru Public School, Fagwara, Punjab.
We extend our heartfelt thanks to Microsoft for providing us such a wonderful opportunity to showcase our project at EduDays 2021. We all MIs here as team peace builders with the idea of creating peaceful communities in virtual world.
We cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future. Year 2021 is celebrated as the International Year of Peace and Trust. So keeping this in mind, we have taken it as our project theme, and our allotted theme is game-based learning. Our idea is to teach young generation how to be at peace online and to maintain physical as well as mental peace. Because youth is the building stone of any nation that would ultimately contribute to national peace, hence resulting into a peaceful world. During this pandemic, about 80% of children, they are studying online. So it is the utmost need of art to guide them about cyber security. So we have conducted a survey using Microsoft Forms and quizzes. An inside feature of Microsoft Forms is very useful in this scenario. Over to Manohar, sir.
Yeah, we have implemented a world's largest lesson plan on cyber peace building as 7-day campaign with our young children by using Microsoft tools. Our approach is creating peace ambassadors and motivate to spread the message of cyber peace to the Gen Y and to accomplish Sustainable Development Goals number 16, 14 and 11. You can see the world's largest lesson plan, that is cyber security and global impacts. There are 14 lessons in this lesson plan. We have taken these lessons to establish peace and trust in virtual world and creating peaceful generations. We are following some steps in the manner of pre-internet training, monitoring, explaining about what is peace and how to maintain cyber peace, introducing about internet addictions and its symptoms to create Gen Y peace ambassadors. Over to Sundi ma'am.
Yeah, we used to use leeway method of teaching to make teaching more fun. This method revolves around the process of using collaborative and hands-on activity to teach the kids different concepts. However, with the integration of technology and moving to the classroom to completely online platform, this process has been replaced by gamification tools, which allows for a greater collaboration and creativity even when the students cannot meet face-to-face. With gamification implemented, the children get encouraged and entertained, and through it has become easier for the children to learn. Students are able to explore creativity and innovation avenues to implement the knowledge learned in the class. The students showed a greater understanding of concepts taught in the class. So here is a small example of cyber hunt game made with Minecraft and an activity computer made with Sway on cyber peace. An animated video that the kids made to speak about cyber safety and security. We use the teacher guide as teacher resource. Over to Adikesavan sir.
Yeah, using gamification tools, it makes the concept easier and long-lasting for learning about cyber ethics and prevention from cyber victimization. Here are some glimpses of work done by Microsoft tools and other tools. Yeah, we are using Microsoft tools. Minecraft is used to visualize the concepts for creating different kinds of games. Students play those games interestingly and they can learn new things even without knowing them. When more than 2 students playing in a game, their involvement is very high. As community servers, we can make use of the existing game in the community. This facility is awesome. The students can learn through listening, by watching and reading, thus the skills are developed using Backlight. Lessons are learned as a game through this one. On using OneNote, we can collaborate the students to ask their doubts by typing as play. And also, immersive reader option, drawing option, ink to text option, ink to math options are very important tools in OneNote. On using Thinklink, students feel happy to learn their subject by new methodology. We link other tools through Microsoft Teams and guide students through their learning in a playful way. Over to Chandni ma'am.
The key outcomes of our project can be described as interdisciplinary learning using gamification and ICT tools, and at the same time becoming cyber-aware netizens. They also came to know about the probable online risk, cyber ethics, along with the abiding cyber laws. Millennials now became cyber peace ambassadors for establishing peace and trust in the virtual world by following certain preventive measures and awareness as their safety lock. Spreading awareness campaigns was done through conducting various webinars and introducing them with the Cybersecurity Guide app for the awareness in the virtual world too. Hence, educating them towards creating peaceful societies and world. Cyber hygiene is equally important in the real world as well as in the physical world for being safe and secure. Inner peace and outer peace establishment is most important thing in everyone's life. So we have tried to implement this concept through our project in the young ones. As the survey result shows, our age group covered under the campaign of creating peaceful ambassadors and the youth with the peaceful mind. The millennials are now Gen Y peace ambassadors, fully able to solve peace equations and for creating peaceful societies. The game-based learning increase their learning and memorization along with creating interest in other subjects, inculcating their knowledge of ICT tools. Fast strategic thinking and problem-solving skills are enhanced. Beneficial space specifically allocated for children with attention disorders. It is also helpful in skill building with empathy towards cyber victims and eradication of cyberbullying to some extent. At the end, I wish to conclude with a pledge. Let's create our millennials as peaceful netizens and ambassadors of peace with our steps together. Thank you.